¿Cómo estás, mi adiente? How are you doing, my good people? Welcome to my channel. My name is Veronica Yuji. If you are new here, karibu sana. Welcome to my channel. If you are returning, oh my god, thank you so much. Gracious. Thank you so much for always coming back to view my videos. So in this video we'll be going around some parts of Kampala, and also before that we'll be learning how to use a reusable diaper. Yes, so for all the new moms, for all those who are mothering little babies, we'll be learning something new. Yes, so there is something called reusable diapers. They are so easy to use as long as you use them in the right way. Anyways, remember to like, share, comment. Yes, let's get into this beautiful video.
This is a washable diaper. What you do, you open here, you press both. If you want, you can press only one inside here.
Oh, you push it inside?
Yeah, very well, like this. If you want to step for long, you can put both inside.
Oh,
this one around, it depends on your baby, like 3 hours.
3 hours?
Yeah. But in case of Fufu, you remove early. But for Sisu, it's okay. Then it depends on the size of your baby. You can press here. If very fat, if thin, you continue. You add just, it depends size of your baby. But it can take long for like 3 hours. But in case it's Sisu, 3 hours. But for Fufu, you will change immediately. So you have to be with many, like 6. You have to be with like 6.
Kasitatu funya no mwako kujja tukomawo. Yes.
Wanji.
So these are diapers, and you've seen how they use them. So cute. Oh my god, put them together like this. So that's how they look like. Okay. Oh my god, this is cute. So this is how they are. You just put this diaper inside. It's soft, smooth, and you can actually use it on your baby and it won't cause any rashes if you remove it early. You don't have to keep them. So they come in different colors, as you can see. Oh my god, I'm even feeling baby fever. So we are going to buy as many as possible. But overall, I love this one. Look at how okay. I wish the texture. Oh my god, the texture. It is smooth, soft. Wow. Hey guys, I'm bringing you the new look of Kampala. If you're new here, like, share, comment. I'm here with the one and only Trevor.
Yeah.